So I did read through the comments, and a lot of you said that you shouldn't. Pretty much just take it straight, the apple cider vinegar, and I should dilute it with water, and yeah, it's definitely a lot better, so I'm definitely listening to you lot. So the other thing you lot were also very helpful with in the last video was giving your feedback on what like the title of this series should be. Overall, kind of like one that kept coming up was keeping it as London Diaries, and then when I do go travel, titling it Travel Diaries. There was one other one that did really stand out to me, and I did really like it. It was called Cozy Diaries, which I do really like. However, I feel at some point I will stop liking that, even though I really like it now. So yeah, for now, London Diaries, Travel Diaries when we travel. Also, I don't know what's happened with the weather or my body in the weather now. My lips are getting so dry, no matter how much lip balm I put on them. So yeah, let's fuck. So I just got this package in from the Frankie Shop. It's actually been here for a bit, but I just wanted to open it on camera and go through it together. So this isn't sponsored or anything, but the Frankie Shop is like, I've been following them for a while on Instagram. It was like originally, up until very, very recently, like just, they only sold like women's clothing, but it was all in these like just neutral, like nice color palettes. So I got a lot of ideas from them, so I followed them. Then they actually DM'd me and they were like, hey, we're actually releasing some menswear stuff. Would you be interested in receiving, you know, a package? And I was like, well, you know, I love the women's stuff that you do, so yes, please, I'm more than happy to. No idea what they sent, didn't get to choose anything or anything like that. The box, Jesus Christ. The box is massive and heavy, so I'm kind of excited to see what's in here. When I was young, my mum like drilled into me when it was like my birthday or Christmas is that you always read the letter before you open the gifts, and now it's like so ingrained in my head. Dear Daniel, we are thrilled to be able to share with you the launch of our first menswear extension. We hope you love our selection as much as we do and can't wait to share everything with you. Thank you for being a part of this exciting new venture, and best wishes for 2020.
Short-term fee, got it locked, I'm the best. Well, at least that's what I think. Give me props when I rap, dap you up, then I leave, yeah. Where did I get it for all of my city?
You want two, yeah?
Yeah, man, fuck it.
Hey, we should do something today with Kenya. 3 massive pastries.
You're welcome. It'll be a different flat white next week.
Let's see what happens.
Hi, yeah, how you doing?
That better than mine.
Love City, baby, let me be your adventure. Be a Maria when you're around me. You think you a goodie, but you ain't no saint. Fool me, baby, and I ain't the same. Why is he really bad? He thinks he can get
Shock me up when you said to me nice that you only like jazz and blues. It's gotta be smooth for you, yeah, yeah. And you know that's right. Baby says she's chillin' on the whole nother vibe, and that's true. Yeah, yeah, that's why I like you. Check, check, yeah, and I gotta admit, find you a bad thing, made me wanna commit. See, I'm loving the way you be tryna play out the get. I tried to slide in your lane, you was not with it, yeah, yeah. And it's a bop, ain't it? See, now me, I like to dance, cause my soul feel it. See, you're tryna shake something, really move your hips.
So team, this is the outfit that I'm going to be wearing to my friend's documentary premiere, which is it's a pretty cool sentence to actually say. The suit I'm wearing is the beautiful Homme Plisse suit. I absolutely love it. It's their tweed suit. I got it from Essence probably back in October in sale, and I absolutely love it. And I'm so glad. This is my first ever suit, and it's taken me so long to like choose a suit, and I'm so happy with this. So I'm pretty much ready to go. All I have to do is actually just put product in my hair. For some reason, that's like literally the last thing I do before I leave the house. Now this documentary premiere that I'm going to, it's called 4830. Now what this documentary is about how Will completed 48 marathons in 30 days. Now let's just actually think about that, because when I've said this to other people, the first bit is like, oh cool. And then they're like, oh shit, wait, what? 48 marathons in 30 days, like.
Shock me up when you said to me nice that you only like jazz and blues. Gotta be smooth for you, yeah, yeah. And you know that's right.
Bro, we're gonna be twinning.
Nah. It's very nice, that. That's a cardigan and a half, that.
Yeah, very nice.
Mate, thanks for sorting that, bro.
No worries,
Tried
man.
to slide in your lane, you was not with it, yeah, yeah. And it's a bop, ain't it? See, now me, I like to dance, cause my soul feel it. See, you're tryna shake something, really move your hips, yeah, yeah. Real smooth with it, ooh. No, you're wrong when you say you don't wanna dance, that's not like you, yeah. Ooh, shock me up.
Charity fundraisers are still hard at work, but not many will be putting in more effort than William Gooch.
He found running therapeutic.
So I haven't been back home in New Zealand for about 2 years now, just because of COVID and all these like restrictions and stuff like that. But my parents did send like a little care package for, it was meant to come at Christmas time, and it's just arrived today. It's like the 26th or something of January, so it definitely got held up. So I've taken off the wrapping and stuff, but I actually haven't opened it yet to see what's in here. I'm actually pretty excited because there's a few things that I absolutely love. But first off, what I love, I just love that my mum's chucked it in a shoebox. Whee! Okay, let's go through. I love these. These were like my go-to like pre-workout snack for so long. These are like
They're licorice, but they're kind of not. They're just like raspberry licorice. I love shapes. I think they changed their flavor at some point, but it doesn't matter to me. Again, a whole box to me is just one serving size. Also, they're not just like foods that are from New Zealand. They're just foods that I really like that are just hard to get over here. Obviously, Whittaker's chocolate. Whittaker's chocolate is amazing New Zealand chocolate. Like, I absolutely love it. Which ones do we have? This one's great because there's a whole bunch of different ones and stuff in there. Then we've got, I'm pretty sure this is the classic one here, creamy milk. And then we've got a little bit more of kind of like a fancier type of Whittaker's one. So, Mum, thank you so much. What, Mum, Dad? Only thing I'm gutted on, I'm not gonna lie. And I know it's Australian, but I love Tim Tams. Chewy caramel. Oh, by the way, if you think I'm gonna ration these, there's not a chance. Like, these will be gone within, I would say, 3 days.